Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Afterwards, you need to find the slot to your cards. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open the slot by using some thumb tag or special eject tool. So here I have thumb tag and let's just press it right here. Alright, now you can remove the whole slot from your device. As you can see here, you can insert 2 Nano SIM cards or 1 Nano SIM and 1 micro SD. So let me insert the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. And let's insert, in my case, micro SD. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. So now I've got prepared tray, so let me insert the whole thing. As you can see, I just accidentally switched on my device, but don't be worried, we will check if our cards are working properly. Let's close the whole thing. Alright, now let me unlock the device. And now you can check out if your cards are working properly by tapping settings. Here let's choose wireless and networks. Choose dual SIM settings. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back and here let's open the storage. As you may notice, the SD card is also properly read, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.